This year is the year of the snake. People born in the year of the snake appear calm and composed. They're also warm-hearted and willing to help others. When meeting new colleagues or friends, they take the initiative to assist them, making them well-liked and trusted by others.
Now it's time for Snake Game, a Chinese New Year video by Advanced Chinese 3.
接下来是 East 准备的问答活动，答对的人有奖品可以拿。
Now it's time for East Chinese New Year Trivia Challenge. If you get the answer right, you'll get a prize.
In which East Asian country is Lunar New Year known as Solar? A. China, B. South Korea, C. Vietnam, and D. Philippines.
South Korea.
Thank you for the wonderful martial arts performance by the 10th grade. Next is the 11th grade Little Apple Dance. Please join them by standing up to dance along.
Thank you to the 11th grade students for their wonderful dance performance. Next is the yo-yo performance by the 9th grade students. The finale is a dance performance by the 12th graders, Sent to the Bright Moon.
Thank you, everyone. May you have a happy, lucky, and prosperous New Year. Happy year. Year of the Snake.